In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, my dear students of Tebuk private schools, intermediate stage, grade 1. Today, inshallah, we are dealing with unit 8, lessons 3 and 4. Starting with grammar. Must is followed by an infinitive. Why do we use must? For obligation. Obligation means necessity, darura, أو إلزام. Must is followed by an infinitive, a verb. Some examples: a student must study hard for the exam. Notice here, must is followed by study, an infinitive, a verb. We say study, not studies, not studied, not studying, just the verb. Another example: he must paint, an infinitive, the house, it doesn't look good. We also use must for strong suggestion. Strong suggestion, اقتراح قوي. Like this example: you must see the new car, it's fantastic. See is an infinitive. You must ring me when you arrive. Ring is also an infinitive. So we use must for obligation and for strong suggestion. Mustn't, the negative form of must. We use it for prohibition. You mustn't smoke in a hospital. You mustn't smoke in a hospital. Mustn't followed by an infinitive. He mustn't read loudly in a library. Mustn't followed by read, the infinitive. Some exercises to make sure we got the idea. Choose the right answer. Number 1, they space be at work every day, early every day, or they will be punished. Punished يعاقب. Be at work early every day. So we here use must, should, would, or will. The right answer is yes, must. Number 2, we must space hard for the exam. Study, studied, studies, studying. The infinitive is study, so the right answer is study. Number A. Question 3. Your hair is very long. You cut it. You shall, would, should, or could. We can't see must, so the answer is should. Just an advice, a piece of advice. نصيحة. Choose the right answer again. Number 4. He is a doctor. He go to hospital every day. Doctors should go to hospital every day, or he have to. We may use has to, not have to, would, or must. The right answer is must, of course. Number 5. You space tell lies, it's wrong. Don't tell lies, my dear students, so you must, have to, should, or mustn't. The right answer is mustn't. Number 6. I space go now. My father is calling me. I have to go now, has to, can't, had to. The right answer is have to. Have to also is used for obligation. I have to go now means I must go now. Choose the right answer. Number 7. You space drive on the right in Saudi Arabia. You have to, should, mustn't, had to. The answer is have to, used for obligation, especially with rules, with external authority. Number 8. The sign says no smoking. No smoking. You smoke here. Have to smoke here. Mustn't, must, or had to. The right answer is mustn't. Number 9, the sign says no parking. You park here. No parking, so you can park, have to, mustn't, had to. Of course, the answer is mustn't. Choose the correct answer again. Number 1. These exercises are about the whole unit, Unit 8. Omar is staying in, on, at. The right answer is Oxford. Yes, it is followed by Oxford, a city, so the answer is in Oxford. Number 2. I'm doing this exercise home, in, on, at. The answer is at, of course. Good. Number 3. There was an old castle, the island. In, on, or at. The answer is at. With islands we use at. Don't forget. You eat in class. Must, can, mustn't. The answer is mustn't. Don't eat in class. Number 5. You must space at the red traffic light. Yes. The answer is stop. Stop is an infinitive. Number 6. Why don't you water? Drink. Drinks, drinking. The infinitive is drink. Number 7. He likes TV. Space TV. Watch, to watch, watching. Of course we need this is like. Yes, it is followed by watching, the gerund. He likes it in general. Why don't you space a sandwich? Why don't you? A suggestion followed by an infinitive. Yes, the answer is eat. Number 9. Let's meet space the station. At, in, on. Of course here we use at the station. Number 10. Fred lives England. England is the name of a country, so we use at, in, on. Of course we use in. Number 11. There was a castle in, on, at the island. The answer is on. With islands we use on. You space do your homework. Must, must not, will. Do your homework. It's a necessity, so we use must. You space go when the light is red. You must go when the light is red, or must not. Well, when you use a car, you must not go when the light is red. Thank you, my dear students. Goodbye till we meet again.